Construction transport stands for about 50% of the transported weight in urban areas and about 10% of the CO2 emissions from a construction project. However, construction transports do not only cause emissions, it also causes congestions as the projects are part of the urban densification and therefore the transport has to go from the outskirts into the city centers and back. The reason of this problem is the lack of knowledge and planning regarding construction transport. Construction logistics is seen as a problem that are to be dealt with once the project commences. Though urban areas are under constant change and therefore it's important to see construction transport as a natural part of urban development. And if construction transport is acknowledged, it can also be decreased.
In Mimic we have developed processes and methods, and as such we have created 2 games which can be used in the different stages of the smart governance process. One of them is a board game which aims to create understanding of the construction logistics problems and the need for collaboration. The other is a mega game, a role-play game which is made for the later stages or the scenario stage of the smart governance process.
Within Mimic, we built an environmental impact assessment framework based on 2 distinct and complementary methodologies, namely external cost calculations and life cycle analysis. And this assessment model allows to evaluate the impact of different construction logistics scenarios using indicators like air pollution, greenhouse gas emissions, but also congestion, noise, accidents and resource use.
Implementation of the framework in smart governance concept can enable to evaluate and follow up the environmental performance of construction logistics strategies. The results from the demonstration pilots shows large potential in electrification of both on-site and off-site activities and other construction logistics setup in achieving emission-free construction logistics.
Mobile phone data provides insights into the mobility behavior of people in a city. This even includes travel routes and modes of transport. And by comparing the situation before, during and after the construction works, we can analyze the impact of construction logistics on urban traffic.
Being part of the Mimic project pushed us at Älvstranden Utveckling to develop our own strategy for how to handle construction logistics in our projects. And as part of that, we also explored the possibilities to use the river as part of the solution.
As part of our work with the Swedish Transport Administration, we have developed an optimization model for earth and rock mass transports. With the help of this model, we have explored different alternative ways of how to organize transports and storage areas and could identify a potential to both lower costs and decrease CO2 emissions from the transports.